Oh, I see you. You're also a CFO, CMO, CTO, COO, and CPA. I mean, you are chief of everything. Your days are becoming more sporadic. You felt like you've got no time for yourself or to truly work on your own business. What if I told you that there is another way? The new way is where your days are filled with peace of mind, you generate recurring revenue without sacrificing your sanity, you have freedom to spend doing whatever and whenever you want, and you can take a sip of, yep, I'm listening. Many entrepreneurs think if only I could grow my business, I could stop working 60 plus hours a week. The trouble is you've got it backwards, my friend. If that's the way you're thinking, in order to take your business to the next level, sometimes you've got to step back and work less. Take Arianna Huffington, for example. In her book Thrive, the third matrix of redefining success and creating a life of well-being, wisdom, and wonder, she talks about facing burnout and how disconnecting from work, getting enough sleep, and finding moments of joys are super important for all-round success. It's about understanding the power of leverage. You can't function at your best if you're burned out and waste time on repeatable, boring tasks. Today, I'm going to show you how to use your leverage by buying back your time and scale your business. So how does doing more by working less leads to growth? Let me give you a hint. Abraham Lincoln once said, give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend first 4 hours to sharpening the axe. That's right. It's all about laying the right foundation for success. It's also applied to our businesses. Buying back your time isn't just about having more time to spend on the important things in life like family. It's also a great way to ensure the future success of your business and grow it. Like many of you, I used to believe that success means that sacrificing every waking hours to grow my business. Sure, there might be plenty of hustle and grind fanatics on podcasts telling you the key to success is getting up at 4:15 a.m. to run 20 miles and send 100 emails, but that's not good for you and that's not sustainable. I once fell for it, but over time I realized that working 24/7 isn't just unsustainable, it also hurts my company's growth. Buying back your time means following the cycle of growth. I've broken down into 4 simple steps: audit, delegate, scale, and finally do. I've been able to grow my revenue by 163% in the last 150 days with this powerful productivity framework. Step 1 is audit. Audit your calendar, my friend. First, it's time to find out where your time is being used, map out the key departments of your business, and see what you are spending most of your time on. Are there tasks that could be delegated or automated? Identify those time-consuming areas is the first step towards buying back your time. I've developed a method of batching my days to hit maximum productivity and profit. In fact, I've got 60 seconds video that show you exactly how to do it right here, or check out just the link in the description box below. Take a look at some tools like TimeOS, my go-to time management and calendar insight. P.S. For more on my full tech stack of tools like this, check out my previous video, my full small business tech stack that I use behind my 6-figure business, link right here. Tip number 2, delegate time-consuming tasks. Next, it's time to take these schedule bottlenecks you have found in your calendar audit and unplug them. Be honest with yourself. What's working, what isn't, which activity are time consuming but don't necessarily need you to do them. This could be anything from administrative tasks to customer service or even content creation. For automating certain tasks, check out this incredible tool Zapier. It really helps to take the work out of repeatable tasks by connecting with your different application and tools. Basically, any app you can think of, you can practically connect through Zapier and build an automated process to get things done faster. But remember, when delegating, feedback and trainings are essential. Someone smart once said, delegation without follow-up is just an abdication. Hey friends, ever wanted your own AI personal assistant? I've got a free bundles of templates specially designed for busy entrepreneurs like you to streamline task delegation and enhance productivity through AI technology. Take a look at this HubSpot free kit AI task delegation playbook right here. This playbook shows you all the AI tools you have available to you, how to navigate them seamlessly, offers an organizer for efficient task assignment, and my favorite part is it even includes a tab called Task Delegation Effectiveness Calculator. Here, you can track the effectiveness of each AI tool based on the task per week versus using that AI tool, completion rate, accuracy, and estimated minutes saved per week. This feature saves you hours of figuring out which AI tool offers the best ROI. So if you're looking for more ways to streamline your operation, check out the HubSpot free AI task delegation playbook right here and revolutionize your business workflow. I put it in the description box below to download your free copy. This resource was made by HubSpot, who is sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, HubSpot. Tip number 3, scale. Systems for growth. As your business grows, you need system and process that can scale with it. This means investing in tools and technology that can handle increased demand without requiring more of your time. It's important to have a strong foundation in place beforehand, since scaling a house of cards leads to imminent collapse. By implementing systems on top of solid structure, you will avoid chaos down the line. Whether it's CRM software, cloud storage solution, or project management tools like ClickUp or Notion, investing in system for growth is essential for long-term success. Think of order processing. For example, could you turn your manual order processing into an automated system with an integrated e-commerce platform? Plenty of companies have employees manually inputting those orders into spreadsheets and send them to the warehouse for fulfillment. That is a recipe for delays, errors, and customers' unhappiness. But with a scalable system, i.e. automated processes, you can unlock high efficiency, revenue gains, and big time growth, and avoid human errors. It's not just about the current needs either, it's about future proofing. Anticipate your needs 6 weeks, 6 months, or even 6 years from now. When choosing systems that do just that, consider these major factors. 1. Cost. What's the sticker price? 2. Return on investment, ROI. Does the price justify the value? 3. Functionality and feature. Is it a powerful tool or just a one-trick pony? 4. Scalability and integration. Can it grow with my business? 5. User friendliness. Do I need to be a rocket science to operate it? 6. Security and compliance. Do I trust my business to operate on it? Finally, tip number 4. Do what you are best at. As a leader of your business or company, you don't necessarily belong in the mailroom sorting out packages, so to speak. Now that you have freed up your calendar, you audit it, by buying back your time, it's time to produce value by flexing those muscles that makes you an expert in your niche. Doubling down on creating new projects, optimizing existing one, or otherwise use your core abilities as an entrepreneur and founder. Not sure exactly what your core strengths are? That's a-okay. There are tools to help. Self-assessment resources like Strengths Founder can help you where your true talents really lie. Once you have found your strengths, use them to set yourself apart from your competition. Here are some of the key ways to really do that. Number 1, align your offerings. Make sure your core strengths and value proposition line up. If you're good at creative problem solving, then why not focusing on innovative solution for specific customers' needs? 2, be authentic. Trust and credibility comes with authenticity. Leverage your strength in your messaging with personal story and expertise that shows you walk it and how you talk it. 3, go niche or go home. Target niche markets where your core strengths are really needed, therefore value at a premium. By focusing on specific niches, you can position yourself as an, if not the, expert of your field. Number 4, continuously improve. Remember, continuously growth often comes with continuous improvement. So investing in your own development through resources like school and hone in your skills and set you apart from the competition can play a huge role in your business growth. So there you have it. How to buy back your time and grow your business. It's a win and win. Plus, it works well in a self-propelling cycle. The more you're capable to focus on what you do best, the more your business will grow, the more you're again able to buy back more time. So don't work yourself to the bone. Just because you pull a Jack Ma, he claimed to work 12-hour days, 6 or 7 days a week for a year, doesn't mean you will be the next Amazon CEO. You will probably just develop a hernia and start seeing spreadsheets in your dream. Instead, work smart and optimize your schedule. If you found today's video helpful but are still hungry for more, check out all the links in the description box below where I go into more details, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and that will mean so much to me and my team. If there's one thing I shared today to get you one step closer to being the CEO you desire to be, then I've done my job right today. Hey, don't go yet. Check out this next video, the best LinkedIn strategy that works for 2024. You should know. Click on it and see you same time next week. Bye for now.